Hi everybody, this is Dr. Hanselman at Precise Chiropractic here in Troy, Michigan. And today I'm going to talk about something that is not always thought about when it comes to chiropractic care, and that's ear infections. And so the reason that ear infections and chiropractic care work so well together and how we can help with those chronic ear infections, especially in our kids, is because of the way the nerves that go to that area is from the upper neck. So we have these nerves that come out of our upper neck. Now the second one that comes out of here is a nerve that goes into your sinuses, your inner ears, and your eyes. So when there's a misalignment up at the top of your neck from one of the atlas or axis bone, it can irritate that nerve that comes out of there and can cause a muscle spasm in our eustachian tube. Now that's the tube that connects the back of our ears to the back of our throat that allows all the stuff from our ears to drain out of our ears so that the bacteria and things like that don't have a chance to breed and grow. So when we have a misalignment there, that nerve gets irritated, that muscle can spasm a little bit, the stuff that's in our inner ears doesn't drain as easily as it's supposed to. It creates a breeding ground for bacteria, and that's why we can get ear infections. Now when we adjust the upper neck, that nerve gets unchoked, that muscle can relax, the drainage can happen. Now the reason it happens more in kids than you even hear of in adults is because in adults, when we grow, the eustachian tube starts to angle down with the development of our skeletal system, so gravity helps to pull it down too. Now in kids, especially younger kids, babies, toddlers, things like that, they get more chronic ear infections because when that misalignment happens, you can get that spasm of the eustachian tube, but also the tube itself is actually more at a horizontal level. So the gravity doesn't help to pull it down as easily as it could when you're an adult. So kids especially are more susceptible to these chronic ear infections, why they need tubes at those younger ages. But with chiropractic care, we can help with that misalignment in the upper neck, get that muscle to unchoke, and get the nerve to unchoke, get the muscle to relax so that drainage can happen a lot easier in kids. And we've seen so many kids here at our office that have chronic ear infections that have been able to avoid the tube surgery and maybe some of the scar tissue that goes with it too with our adjusting. So if you know anybody suffering from ear infections, especially those younger kids, give our office a call, 248-680-7200, or on the web at www.nukainfo.com.